Hi guys, so this is my BMW F10. So I just turned the ignition on and I am getting an error about coolant being low in my car. So what I'm going to do is show you guys how to refill some coolant, and we'll pop the hood. Okay, so here's the engine compartment, and this is your coolant cap right here. I already loosened it down, and you can see it is low, and the max and even the min, there's a min right there that you can probably see. There you go. And the both are not filled up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some coolant. Not really make some coolant, but I already have this BMW antifreeze coolant. This is a 50-50 mixture, and I'm going to pour some in this glass, half of it, and I'm going to fill it with distilled water to make a 50-50 mixture. Here is the 50% of the glass is filled with coolant, and I'm adding distilled water to make it 50-50. Of course, it doesn't have to be 100% exactly right, because you can see the glass is slim at the bottom, so of course the coolant level is going to be a little bit higher than the half the glass, and then you fill it with water. So now I'm going to pour this into my reservoir. I'm using a funnel to pour it in, but I'm going to have to hold the funnel up so it's not touching that indicator down below. And I'm going to pour this. I'm not sure how much it's going to need, but I'm going to keep pouring and looking at the levels, so I can't really show it to you guys since I'm holding the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this in. It took about 1.5 glass of this, and now you can see you don't want to top it off all the way to the max. As long as your the other one, the low, is filled up and it's a little below max, it's good. The reason you don't want to fill it up all the way covering the max mark is because you don't want the pressure to build inside your radiator. It can damage some of the parts, so you definitely want some room in there for air and gas accumulation. So just make sure this much is good, so you guys can see. There you go, a little better. So as you can see, the low mark is filled up and it's a little below the max mark. So that's it, guys. Make sure you cover this up nice and tight, and start the car, turn the heater on all the way to the high, and keep it running for until the car gets to the normal operating temperature. That kind of helps to get any air bubbles out from the system, and that should do it. So hopefully it helps you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video.